Kia boys are taking over. Gang. Alright, let's see how fast this could go. Freaking Kia pushes. Top of the evening, basically good night at this point. As you guys could see, we are not in the Lexus today. We're in a freaking Kia. Can you believe that? That a Kia even moves like this? This thing is ridiculous. Never in my life would I think that I could overtake cars like this with a fucking Kia. This thing is crazy. It feels weird driving this, you know, because I'm used to driving the Lexus, obviously. I forget what a turbo car feels like almost. It's like that slight bit of delay, but then once it goes, it just keeps going. This car is also faster than mine too, so. And it's because it's so quiet, it doesn't even feel like it, but like, shit. This thing hits 120, 130 without a problem. Nah, this car's fun. This is a 2018 Kia Stinger GT1. Not the slow one. There's like another GT that's slow or something. But this is the big boy. I must say, it feels like a boat a little bit. Doesn't feel as planted to the ground as the Lex. Like, there's no comparison. Around a turn, I could probably go 60 around a tight turn in the Lexus. This would probably be like 40, 50. But it's not bad for the size of it, the shape of it. I mean, it's probably not that much bigger than my car, but it's just the shape of it. It's like a big ass shoe. But in a straight line, zoom. Must say, it does feel really smooth, really planted to the ground. It also is a way quieter, so it doesn't feel as intense. It's so windy outside though. It feels weird. It's making the car sway a lot. Yeah, like I said, man, this thing cruises easily at 100 plus. God damn, the only thing I feel bad for is the brakes, honestly. This car actually comes stock with Brembo brakes, but when we bought the car, the brakes were kind of shot on it. They were like rusting up a little bit, so I managed to get free brakes included in the sale, but they wouldn't replace it with the Brembo brakes. They just replaced it with some aftermarket shit. So as soon as we get some decent chunk of change, we'll be able to get the Brembos on this bad boy. This is a lovely highway cruiser though, like no cars on the road. Very, very comfortable to drive. Alright, let's see how fast this bitch could go. Oh, that's the limiter. I need to get this thing tuned. 180 on the dash? Shit. I guess it tops out at 135. That's unfortunate. Damn, this car is so much faster than my car. It's actually fucking annoying. I love my car. I love everything about it besides how slow it is. And it's not even slow, it's quick. So I can't be like a full-on hater. Because then I just sound like an asshole. But see, I'm cruising at 120, dude. This shit is crazy. Easy money sniper. This thing handles the road so well. And it just flies. It's genuinely quick. This shit's almost at 400 horsepower. See, we gotta do the old tunnel test. But see, with this thing, it's not that exhilarating. That wasn't terrible. That wasn't terrible. But see, if I get a little bit of the exhaust on there, it would be a lot better. Yeah, little catback exhaust or axle back. Basically a muffler delete. Oh man, I love turning off the cars on this server. It's like a dream. God damn, I need to freaking figure out how to turn the speed limit off. I need to start looking into mods for this thing. I'm about to start modding it like it's my own. Alright, full throttle. This thing just wants to keep going. I really wonder how fast it could go stock without the limiter. This thing is fun to drive, I must say. But it's like a little boring. I guess I need an exhaust or something. It just feels too comfortable. Doesn't even feel like it's going that fast. It's like an illusion, you know. You get into like an M car or something, you could feel that bitch is going fast. You could hear it, you could feel it. This is just like, oh, okay, I'm going 130. Thought I was going like 95. I guess that's a good thing though, you know what I mean? I can't be complaining about comfort and stability at high speeds. I guess I just need more raw feel from it. What do you guys think of this car? I'm very curious. I was a big fat hater on it. Big fat stinky hater. I hated this car. Nah, I'm guessing. I didn't hate it. I just thought it was so corny that it was a Kia. I don't know. I think they did a decent job. Especially after driving it. I don't mind this car at all. We took it on a few road trips. Very, very, very comfortable for long roads. I fucking hate the Lexus on going anything more than 20, 30, 40 minutes. Like, I figure it out, but like that seat is just not made for any man over, or any person over 6 feet. It's just effortless. Yeah, definitely I think exhaust and little tune. I just gotta see how aggressive my my girl wants to go, because this is obviously, if anybody doesn't know, this is her daily, this is her car, this is her only car, and then I drive the Lexus. But you know, sometimes they'll be like, let me take the Kia. I just tinted it too, so it's looking fresh now. Looking fresh, freshy Freshington. And we got the Michelin Pilot Sports on it a month or two ago. Shit's no joke. That Jean got grip. This will be good to see how the turning on this thing is. I think if I remember, I hit this turn going like 60 in my Lexus. Let's see what this can do. Imagine how awkward it would be if I just crashed. Yeah, we're doing about 60. At the exit. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Should I make the cut? I can't complain, man. I can't complain. This thing's fucking fun to drive. I love it. I'm a Kia boy. Kia boys are taking over. Fuck, gang. Oh, I need to get those downshifts sounding more crispy. I'm telling you guys, though. If you want to go fast on a budget, although these things kind of freaking expensive too. I remember the car value on this car was like 17,000 or 18,000. We ended up paying like 24 or 25 or something, simply because of the demand. Like, we went and we were like, oh, the value's this. They're like, yeah, but you can't find one for sale for that price. You know what I mean? The dealer markup on these is crazy for a Kia, but it is a freaking V6 twin turbo Kia. Comment down below if you guys would take this or the Lexus. But honestly, if you're on my channel, it'd be wrong to not pick the Lexus. Lexus got reliability, comfort, handling, feel, look, everything is better. This is just faster. But that goes a long way, man. You're getting fucking, I got smoked by a Ford, almost got smoked by a Ford Focus the other day. Or Fusion, whatever that shit's called. In my Lexus, not in this. So this thing could keep up with some big boys. Do another little fucking pull here for you guys. Whew. God damn. Anyways, let me know if you guys are rocking with the Kia Stinger content. I gotta do some more stuff. Maybe get some mods. Maybe run some 0 to 60s. I got some ideas. But for now, it's time to go home. Time to go to sleep. I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace!